The wait is finally over. After years of anticipation, dedication, and community effort, a new chapter in digital currency begins. On March 11, 2026, the Pi network officially launches its grand open mainnet, transforming the digital landscape and opening doors to a future powered by decentralized technology. This isn't just another crypto launch, it's the realization of a global movement, uniting people from every corner of the world under a shared vision. For millions of pioneers, the end of testnet 2 marks the beginning of a new era, a fully operational public blockchain that anyone can access and participate in. The coins mined on smartphones are now real currency, ready for use in a thriving ecosystem of apps, services, and businesses built around Pi. Pi's mainnet is a bold step toward financial inclusion, making digital currency accessible to everyone, not just tech experts or early adopters. The transition is more than technical. It's a shift from speculation to real-world utility and commerce, where Pi can be used for everyday transactions. The Pi network's promise is fulfilled, a decentralized platform secured and operated by its users, where trust is built by the community itself. Years of planning, testing, and community building have led to this moment, with countless contributors shaping the network's future. The testnet phase stress-tested the network, simulating millions of transactions and laying a solid foundation for secure, scalable growth. Now the sandbox is gone, replaced by a living, breathing digital economy that spans continents and cultures. The speculative phase is over. The utility phase has begun, as Pi becomes a tool for real value exchange. Pi is now a true medium of exchange, empowering people everywhere to participate in the digital economy and shape their own financial futures. The world is about to witness what happens when financial power is placed directly into the hands of the people, ushering in a new era of opportunity, innovation, and global connection. What does it mean for Pi Network to become an autonomous banking infrastructure? Imagine a world where financial power is truly in the hands of everyday people, not just large institutions. It's a financial system without banks, powered entirely by its users, where anyone can participate and benefit from the network's growth. No more middlemen, just peer-to-peer transactions that are faster, cheaper, and more transparent than ever before. Every transaction is recorded on a public ledger, building trust and accountability. Pi's decentralized blockchain lets anyone, anywhere, access global finance with just a smartphone, breaking down barriers that once kept people out of the financial system. Billions of unbanked people now have a lifeline to economic empowerment, opening doors to new opportunities and financial inclusion for all. The network supports a full range of DeFi services, payments, lending, borrowing, and more, without corporate gatekeepers or unnecessary restrictions. Its rules and governance are embedded in code, not controlled by any single entity, ensuring fairness and transparency for everyone involved. Node operators worldwide validate transactions and secure the network, making it resilient and trustworthy no matter where you are. No company or government can control Pi. It's owned by the public, for the public, ensuring true financial freedom and independence. The mainnet launch activates this autonomous engine, powering a new era of open, fair finance that is accessible to everyone. The future of banking is decentralized, borderless, and community-driven, and it starts now. Migrating millions of users from test to mainnet is a massive challenge. The Pi core team's solution, the Quantum Pi Network Migration Protocol v20.2, featuring quantum-resistant cryptography. This protocol ensures every pioneer's assets are transferred securely and flawlessly. It's not just about moving balances, it links user data to new mainnet identities, preserving continuity. Quantum-resistant algorithms future-proof Pi against tomorrow's threats. The protocol's precision and security gave pioneers confidence in the transition. This technical masterpiece bridges the test world and the real world, protecting digital wealth for millions. Pi's strength lies in its vibrant and ever-growing community, a global force of verified users and dedicated node operators who are united by a shared vision for the future of decentralized technology. Over 17.5 million pioneers have successfully completed KYC, demonstrating a remarkable level of trust and engagement within the network. Of these, 15.8 million have already migrated their assets to MAINNET, taking an active role in shaping Pi's ecosystem. The network is secured by more than 350,000 active nodes, run by individuals around the world who help maintain its integrity and reliability. This vast network makes Pi highly decentralized and resilient, ensuring security and stability for all participants. The Pi App Studio has empowered over 51,800 creators from all backgrounds and skill levels to build nearly 38,000 innovative applications before MAINNET even launched, fueling a thriving ecosystem of ideas. This explosion of grassroots development proves Pi is more than just a digital currency. It's a dynamic platform for innovation, collaboration, and real-world impact. With millions of engaged users and thousands of creative apps, Pi launches with unmatched maturity, robust infrastructure, and enthusiastic support from its global community. The community's unwavering commitment is the true bedrock of the Pi economy, driving its growth and long-term success. Pi introduces code as constitution, rules and rights embedded directly in the protocol. This ensures transparency, predictability, and fairness for all participants. A unique accounting constant, 1 pi equals 314,159, brings stability to the ecosystem. This benchmark reduces volatility, enabling predictable smart contracts and commerce. Developers and merchants can peg value to this constant, insulating business from market chaos. The internal economy is stable, while the external price can fluctuate. Code as constitution and the accounting constant create a level playing field and deep trust. Pi's foundation is fairness, stability, and a new kind of digital contract. At Pi's core are Soroban smart contracts, automated, trustless agreements written in code. These contracts enable a full suite of DeFi services: trading, lending, borrowing, and more. The decentralized exchange and automated market maker pools let users trade assets and earn fees, all peer-to-peer. Anyone can create tokens, launching new projects or digital collectibles on Pi. These tools democratize financial innovation, making it accessible to all. With MAINNET Live, these DeFi features are ready for real-world use. Users have direct control over assets, free from traditional intermediaries. This is true financial freedom, global, secure, and user-driven. Pi's economy needs real utility, not just currency. The Pi RC1 Launchpad curates and promotes the top 100 most promising apps, ensuring quality and usefulness. Projects are evaluated for real-world utility, sound economics, and scalability. Users get a trusted marketplace, developers gain visibility and access to millions of pioneers. This strategy prioritizes substance over hype, building a sustainable ecosystem. The Launchpad is the engine driving Pi's utility-focused vision. Carefully cultivated utility will fuel Pi's global adoption and long-term success. Pi Network Ventures, a $100 million fund, accelerates ecosystem growth by backing top startups. The focus: artificial intelligence and gaming, two of tech's fastest-growing sectors. Investments in OpenMind, decentralized AI, and CD games blockchain gaming, showcase Pi's ambition. Gaming brings immediate use cases for Pi as in-game currency, driving engagement and transactions. Decentralized AI leverages Pi's global node network, breaking corporate monopolies on AI. The fund offers financial backing, technical support, and access to Pi's massive user base. Pi is building a dynamic digital nation powered by innovation. The MAINNET launch is just the beginning, a new chapter in finance. Pioneers can now use Pi to buy goods, access services, and shape a decentralized economy. AI integration empowers users to build apps and earn Pi by contributing computing power. Newcomers can join by downloading the app and participating in the network. Pi offers a chance to be a co-owner in the future of money, not just a user. This is more than a cryptocurrency. It's a movement and a revolution. Pi's foundation is secure, inclusive, and community-powered. The future of finance is here. Will you help build